Good morning, people. Good morning. Welcome to my channel. Now we're doing another vlog after a long time. We go to Nandi Hills. Now Nandi Hills, normally people go only to see the hills, but then there are other attractive places over there which we will be showing you. I'm going to catch up Vinay by another sometime now, and together we'll be riding these places. So stay tuned and we'll go places. Good. Okay, now this is the place where we will have to take our left. Now you take the right from here, it goes to Hoskote. Since you see it says International Airport is 17 kilometers, Devnalli is 4 kilometers and Hyderabad is 533. So you take a right, it goes to Hoskote. So you take a left, it goes to Devnalli. So we'll hit Devnalli. Okay, now this is the Devnalli bus stand. Now you can go straight also, but then we will take a right here and hit the highway, because even if you go further up, then you will have to take the right. Devnalli flower market. The most of the activities have stopped here because of COVID. Otherwise, this place used to be bursting with activities. There used to be a vegetable market here, fresh grown vegetables, okay, straight from the farms, especially the greens. The leaves, you can see here some, but these are comparatively very less that is getting sold today. Whoa, careful boss. Okay, this is Nandi Upachara. We will have breakfast and proceed on to a trip. This place normally will be packed, but you see today there is not many people around, hardly around 1-2 bikes. Now we stopped here for breakfast. We'll go inside, have some breakfast, and then proceed to the destination. We'll keep it somewhere there and then finish it. That's okay. Shall we go order something and come? We finished with the breakfast. Had some nice idlis and dosas. We all done now. We'll be going towards Nandi Hills. Now we don't know if Nandi Hills is going to be open then since of the COVID situation. So let's see. If it's open, it's fine. If it's not open, then we go to another place. Yeah, stay with us and we'll continue. It's 8 kilometers from here. Finally, we reached Nandi Hills. We're so lucky that Nandi Hills was just opened yesterday for public. So we're gonna go in and show you some places inside like Veerabhadreshwara Swami temple. Now we've done this, it's closed, so the temples are all closed now, so we will not be permitted to go inside. But then I thought I'll give you a view of how this place looks like. I thought I'm completely down, complete Josh. We got down the hill, we're going up the hill. I'm gasping for air. Let's still do it. Chalo, nothing else to be done. We'll have to climb. Anyway, keep watching. We'll go to the next destination and start recording. This is Amrut Sarovar, but this is the main source of water for Nandi Hills. Now, it is said that in 1936, Diwan of Mysore laid the stone to improve this water source. It looks beautiful. People, next time you come to Nandi Hills, make sure you visit this place. And the Diwan who actually laid the stone for development of this water, Diwan's name is Mirza Ismail. We are on our way to Tipu Drop. The next place we're going to visit is Tipu Drop, and the source of water for Arkavati River. So that is also on the same place. We'll be going to those places, and we'll show you those places too. This is Yoganandeshwara Devasthana, but unfortunately this has been closed today. This is because of COVID. All the temples are still yet to be opened. This is how it looks. You can see it's been closed, but I don't think you can see anything from here. The main doors are all closed, unfortunately. So next time when we are here, we'll try to go inside. We'll go to the viewpoint. Let's see what we can see and then go. This is Nelikai Basvana temple. This is how it looks. People say if you happen to say your wish in one of the years of this Basva would go tell your wishes to Lord Shiva, and then all your wishes will be fulfilled, is what it says. Normally in any temple, if you see, that is how it has been told. This place is called Brahmashram.
It's said to be that few sages used to meditate inside the cave.
Correct.
So, for time being, there's no light facility.
There's no light. You can't go inside. I don't think we can see much, but we will try and show you. We can't go inside. This is how it looks. This is the source of Palar River. Now we'll go down and take a deeper look into it. let's go deeper and then see. This is how it looks. This is the place. You see the Nandi, and there is another source of water which is for Arkavati river. Now we'll go to that place also. This is how this place looks. Next time you guys come to Nandi Hills, please make sure you visit these places. This is the water source of Arkavati river. Now we'll go to that place, and we will show you that place. Stay tuned. This is the place. You can see it's written in Kannada, Arkavati Ugamasthana. It says this is the water source of Arkavati river. This is the birthplace of Arkavati river. So we'll go closer to this place. There is no water basically now, but then we'll try and show you the place. This is the birthplace of Arkavati river. Okay. The birth says Padayatra Nenapu. Arkavati flowed from here to Tippagondanahalli reservoir from 3/9/2009 to 6/9/2009. But then you see the beauty of this place. This is absolute beauty. Okay, we are exhausted. We did a major trek. We walked in and out. In future, our vlogs are going to be like this. It's going to be more informative. It's not going to be only the roads. We're going to take you to those places, give you all the information, whatever is possible. Now guys, in case you have any questions regarding this, please put a comment in the comment section and we'll make it a point that we'll answer you. Okay, now we are going away from the Nandi Hills and going to the Nandi town, and we will show you the first railway track, commercial railway track from Bangalore to Chikbalapur. It's in the place called Nandi Taluk. When you come down to Nandi Hills, you can also visit these places. So we've done with Nandi Hills. As I said, we've tried and covered most of the places. I am sure you will like this video. But people, if you are still watching my video, that means you've liked it. So kindly subscribe, like, and share it along with your friends, so that they will also enjoy our video. Oh, this is the Nandi railway station. Hi people, we've come to this railway station. The details of the railway station I'll give you a little later, but you just see the way this place is. Let's go inside and see. This is how the railway station looks. This railway station has been the historic Bangalore Chikbalapur light railways. Sanctioned in September 1909, this station was opened for passengers and goods traffic on August 1, 1915. In other words, I should say, this building has been virtually untouched from past 100 years. And this is the first railway line in princely state of Mysore, started by a private enterprise. So this is the end of the vlog. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and share it with your friends, and please do leave a comment below in the comment section, so that, and in case there's any improvements to be done, or in case you didn't like the video or you like the video, say something, so that it becomes very helpful for us to improve the quality of the channel. So thank you, and we will see you again very soon in another vlog. Bye bye.